Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Tech Hub. Earlier we have discussed about 75 bits, okay, from UPPCL 2018 Shift 2 paper of Electrical JE. And now let us start with bit number 76 up to 100, okay. So now see 76 number question. First question is the power in a three-phase circuit is given by the equation. We all know that power P is equal to what, sir? Power P is equal to 3 times of V phase into I phase into cos phi. Okay, V phase I phase cos phi. Okay, V phase I phase cos phi. Or if we take line values, that is equal to what, sir? Root 3 times of VL IL cos phi. VL IL cos phi. Okay, so if we take phase values, that is 3 times of phase voltage into current into power factor. Okay, so if we take line values, that is equal to root 3 times of VL IL cos phi. Okay, line voltage into line current, sir. Okay, so see, answer is what, sir? Answer is 3 V phase I phase cos phi. Okay, see here in the options there is no root 3 VLIL cos phi. So answer is 76th question. Answer is first option. Okay, coming to the next question. Let me first. Okay, here he is asking you to match the following, sir. Okay, active power. Active power is nothing but which is having here cosine form. Okay, cosine form. That is A is connected to what, sir? F, sir. Okay, and second one reactive power which is having sine component, right? So that means BE. Okay, BE. Next, apparent power. Apparent power has no components. Okay, apparent power will have no components. That is root 3 VLIL. Okay, so that means C is connected to D. Okay, so that option is option 2. Okay, next, coming to the next question. Question number 78. When a 4 volt EMF is applied across 1 farad capacitor, it will store the energy. What is the storage energy formula, sir? E equal to half CV square, right? That means half into C is how much, sir? 1 farad into voltage value is 4 square. That is equal to what, sir? 16 by 2. It is equal to 8, sir. Okay, 16 by 2 is nothing but 8 joules. Okay, so answer is option 4, sir. Okay, option 4. And coming to the number 79, question number 79. A balanced three-phase star-connected load draws a power from the 440 volt supply. The two connected wattmeters W1 and W2 indicates 5 kilowatt and 1200 watts respectively. Calculate the power factor of the system. Okay, we all know that power factor. How can we find the power factor, sir? First of all, we have to take phi value. Okay, we have to calculate phi value. That is equal to tan inverse root 3 times of W1 minus W2. Okay, W1 minus W2 divided by W1 plus W2. Okay, W1 plus W2. So this is the equation, sir. Okay, this is the equation. Once you got phi value, then apply cosine to that phi. Okay, that is cos phi. So then you will get 0.69. Okay, 0.69. See, this formula is valid. Okay, phi formula. Okay, that is equal tan inverse into root 3 into W1 minus W2 by W1 plus W2. This formula is valid when he has given W1 and W2 values. Okay. Next, coming to the next question. The unit of capacitance is what, sir? We all know farad, sir. Unit of capacitance is farads. But if you observe carefully in the options, he has not mentioned farad. He has not mentioned farads, sir. So we have to go for another option. That is if you observe C equal to Q by V, na Q units for charge is nothing but what, sir? Coulombs. Okay, by units for voltage is nothing but what, sir? Volts. So that is nothing but coulombs per volt. Okay, coulombs per volt. So option 2 is right answer, sir. Okay, and next, after dash number of time constants, the transient portion reaches more than 99% of the final value. See, a transient value becomes a steady value after 5 time constants. That is 5 tau. After 5 tau. So answer is 5, sir. Okay, answer is 5. And coming to the next question. The 2 wattmeter method is used to measure the total power in a balanced circuit powered by a 415 volts 50 Hz 3-phase balanced power supply if both the readings are 4.5 kilowatts but opposite sign. Okay, but have opposite signs, then the total power calculated will be dash, sir. Okay, P equal to what, sir? W1 plus W2, right? W1 plus W2 or P1 plus P2. We can take any form. Okay, so that means what, sir? 4.5 and plus minus 4.5, right? So that is equal to how much, sir? 0, because plus into minus is minus, na? So 4.5 minus 4.5 is equal to 0 watts. Okay, so answer is 0 watts, sir. Okay, next, coming to the question number 83. Okay, transformer तेल की स्थानता डैश होनी चाहिए. Okay, that means what, sir? That means viscosity of the transformer oil is dash. Okay, viscosity of the transformer oil is dash. So what is the transformer oil viscosity, sir? It is having nimna, that means low. Okay, low viscosity. Okay, options given are bahut adhik, that means very high, and adhik means high, and nimna means low, and madhyam means medium, right? So here option C is right, sorry, option 3 is right. Okay, it is low. Next, coming to the next question, 84. Find the odd one from the following. Okay, find the odd one from the following. Okay, if you see, manganese, constantan and nichrome are resistive materials, sir. Okay, resistive materials. Okay, whereas brass is a conducting material. Okay, it is a conducting material. So as it is a conducting material, option 1 is odd one from all the options, all the given options. And next, coming to the next question, a delta connected balanced load is supplied from a 3-phase balanced 400 volts 50 Hz supply. The readings of the two wattmeters are 970 watts and 480 watts respectively. Each phase of the load consists of the resistance and inductance connected in series, and calculate the total power consumed. See, this all data is not important for us, sir. Okay, what he is asking, sir, he is asking you to calculate total power consumed. Total power consumed is nothing but what, sir? P equal to W1 plus W2. That is equal to what, sir? 970 watts plus 480 watts. It is equal to how much? 1550 watts, right? That is equal to 1.5 kilowatt. Okay, 1.55 kilowatt. Sorry, 970 plus 480 is equal to 1450, right? So that is equal to what, sir? 1.45 kilowatt. Okay, 1.45 kilowatt. So option 3 is right. Okay, next, coming to the question number 86. The line voltage VRY in a 3-phase system is equal to what, sir? It is nothing but the sum of 2 phase voltage, sir. Okay, sum of 2 phase voltage. So answer is sum of the VRN and VYN, sir. VRN and VYN. But see, here sum of, I told you sum of, but which sum it is? Arithmetic sum or phasor sum? It is not arithmetic or algebraic sum, sir. Okay, arithmetic or algebraic are same, sir. Okay, but it is not arithmetic or algebraic sum, sir. It is a phasor sum, sir. Okay, what is the difference between phasor sum? If I am having 3 and 4, okay, let me take 3 and 4. Okay, I would like to add 3 and 4 now in arithmetic. That means what's the 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Okay, that is in the algebraic or arithmetic equations. Okay, 3 plus 4 equal to 7. But see, in the phasor addition, that means, okay, 3 plus 4 is equal to what, sir? Root over 3 square plus 4 square, sir. Okay, root over 3 square plus 4 square, that is equal to 5, sir. Okay, if you add 3 and 4 vectorially are nothing but the phasor. Okay, vectorially or phasor, vector addition or phasor addition is same, sir. Okay, so vector addition, if I am doing with 3 and 4, then I will get 5, sir. Okay, see, vector addition or the phasor addition is different from the algebraic or arithmetic sum. Okay, now see, question number 87. The phase sequence is important in determining the direction of rotation of the dash. Okay, phase sequence is important in direction of rotation of AC motor, sir. Okay, AC motor may be synchronous motor or induction motor, whatever it is. Okay, next, in an RC circuit, when the switch S is closed, the response, okay, response what, sir? E power minus t by tau, na? E power minus t by tau. Okay, so for example, if I want to output voltage, that is equal to supply voltage into e power minus t by tau. That means what, sir? It is exponentially decaying. Minus means what, sir? It is exponentially decaying. Its graph will be looks like this. Okay, exponentially decaying. So answer will be this one, sir. Okay, answer will be decays with the time. Okay, decays with time. Okay, next, coming to the question number 89, lead. Okay, lead, in the case of the lead acid cell, is known as the negative active material, sir. Negative active material. Okay, and coming to the question number 90, a capacitor C is equal, okay, capacitor stores 0.4 coulombs of the charge at 2 volts. Its capacitance is, okay, see, students usually, okay, do a mistake here, sir. That is, C is equal to 0.4 C, they will take, sir. Okay, it is not C, sir, it is Q, sir. Okay, Q equal to 0.4 C. Okay, Q equal to 0.4 C. Okay, so then what, sir? As Q equal to 0.4 C and V is given, what he is asking, sir? C, right? We know Q equal to CV, that means C equal to Q by V. Okay, C is equal to how much, sir? 0.4 C by V is equal to 2, that means what's the 2.4? If I cancel, I will get 0.2, right? 0.2. So answer will be 0.2, sir. Answer will be 0.2. Okay, next coming to the question number 91. A capacitor charged to 200 volts and it has a 2000 microfarads of charge. The value of the capacitance will be, we all know C is equal to what, sir? Q by V, right? Q by V. That means what, sir? 2000 micro, okay, by 200. That is equal to what, sir? 10 micro. Okay, 10 micro. Okay, next. A voltage is said to be alternating when it changes. Okay, it has to change its direction as well as the magnitude, sir. Okay, see, this is called as alternating quantity, sir. See, at t equal to 0 it is 0, sir. At t equal to, okay, at t1 let me take, it has, let me take 5 volts. Okay, and at t2 it has, let me take 10 volts. Okay, at t3 let me take, okay, at t3 it is having 2 volts, let me take. At t4 it is 0, sir. And t5, okay, at t5 let me take, it has 6 volts, sir. Okay, that means what? Minus 6 volts, sir. That means what, sir? As time lapse, okay, as time increases, it is changing its magnitude, sir. As well as after some time, what happens, sir? Direction also changed, sir, right? Direction also changed. It is positive, it is negative, na? So that means what, sir? It is changing its direction as well as magnitude both, sir. Okay, so option 4 is right, sir. Okay, next. 3 identical coils having a resistance of 10 ohms and an inductance of 0.03 henries are connected in delta across the 440 volts 50 Hz 3-phase supply. What will be the power factor, sir? Okay, so power factor formula is what, sir? Cos phi is equal to root over, sorry, cos phi equal to R by Z, sir. Okay, cos phi equal to R by Z. Okay, R by Z. Lagging or leading, sir? Definitely lagging. Why? Because inductance is only there, na? R and L. That means for RL circuit, power factor is lagging power factor, sir. Okay, so R by Z value you have to take, sir. R is equal to how much, sir? 10 is given, sir. R equal to 10 ohms given. But what about Z, sir? We have to calculate Z. Definitely we have to calculate Z first. Okay, to calculate R by Z, manaki, for us definitely we need Z is required, right? So Z equal to what, sir? Root over R square plus XL square, sir. R square plus XL square, sir. Okay, so we know R equal to 10, but what about XL, sir? We don't know XL, na? That is also you have to find first. Okay, that means what, sir? XL equal to 2 pi FL. 2 pi FL. 2 pi FL means what, sir? 2 pi into F is 50 into L is how much, sir? 0.03. Okay, so that you have to take. Okay, then you will get one XL value. Okay, once you got XL value, you have to substitute in the equation of Z, that is equal to root over R square plus XL square. Okay, so here 10 we are substituting, and in the XL what you have got already, that you have to substitute, sir. Okay, XL value. Okay, then you will get Z value. Once you got Z value, cos phi equal to what, sir? R by Z. Okay, so lagging, R by Z lagging. Okay, so you will get 0.72 lagging, sir, if you do in this process. Okay, and next, a 10 microfarad capacitor is in series with a 1 mega ohm resistor is connected to a 100 volts DC supply. The time constant of the circuit is, I already told you, RC circuit time constant is equal to what, sir? R into C. For L, okay, RL circuit time constant is L by R, sir. Okay, for RL circuit time constant is L by R. Okay, so here he is asking you to calculate the time constant in the RC circuit. So RC circuit time constant is R into C. So let me calculate RC time constant, that is equal to 1 mega means so 10 power 6. Okay, 1 into 10 power 6. Okay, into capacitance is 10 into 10 power minus 6, right? So 10 power minus 6 and 10 power plus 6 will cancel. So answer will be 10 seconds. The time constant value is in seconds. Okay, so answer is 10 seconds. Okay, next, coming to the 95th question. Okay, find the odd one from the following. Okay, see, hardness, ductility, resistivity and tensile strength. Okay, so hardness, ductility, tensile strength both, okay, these three are related to mechanical, okay, mechanical terms, sir, whereas resistivity is related to conduction, sir. Okay, resistivity is related to electrical terms, sir. Okay, so this is odd one, sir. Okay, and next, a capacitor consists of the two conducting surfaces separated by an insulating material, sir. Okay, insulator, sir. Okay, air is an insulator, like that. Okay, so next, which of the following properties must be used for the fuse material used in the wire? Okay, must, okay, a fuse wire must have a property of low melting point, sir. Okay, it is very important point, sir. Low melting point is why? Because if more than the rated current is flowing through it, it has definitely high sensitivity to, okay, high sensitivity. Okay, once it sense that current, okay, it has to melt, sir. Okay, so that means it has to have low melting point, sir. Okay, it must have low melting point. Okay, next, coming to the 98 question. See, the capacitance of a capacitor formed by the two parallel plates, each 200 centimeter square in area, separated by 4 thickness. Dielectric is 0.0004 microfarads. If the voltage of 2000, okay, sorry, if the voltage of 20,000 volts is applied across it, then the total charge of the total charge on the plates will be dash. He is asking. Okay, so see, Q is equal to what, sir? C into V, sir. Okay, so we don't need all these stuff, sir. Okay, we don't need this thickness. Okay, thickness and okay, diameter and all we don't require, sir. Okay, so what is the C value given, sir? C is equal to 0.0004 micro, sir. Okay, into V is given as 20,000, sir. Okay, sir, remember 4 into 20,000 is how much? 80,000, right? 4 into 20,000 is 80,000. And after how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4 points we have, okay, dot here. That means what, sir? After 4 points we have to place dot, right? So 4 into 20,000 is 80,000, na? So that is equal to what, sir? 80,000, okay? 80,000 micro. Okay, after 4 points I have to take na 1, 2, 3, 4. That means I have to place point here. That means 8 micro, right? 8 micro is your answer. Okay, 8 micro coulombs is your answer, right? Next, coming to the question number 99. In a three-phase system, the order in which the voltages attain their maximum positive value is called, okay, maximum positive value. That is nothing but what's our phase sequence, okay, like RYB, okay, RYB, okay, RBY, okay. If R is attaining first and then Y is attaining maximum, okay, second, and B is attaining maximum value at third, then it is called RYB. If R is attaining maximum value, then after that, if B is attaining maximum value, after that if Y is attaining maximum value, then it is RBY phase sequence, okay. So answer is phase sequence, sir. Okay, phase sequence is nothing but what, sir? The order in which the order in which the phases are getting maximum positive values. Okay, next, coming to the question number 100, sir. The time constant for the RC circuit, I already told you, RC circuit time constant is equal to what, sir? Tau equal to R into C, sir. Tau equal to R into C. Okay, so these are the questions, sir. Okay, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Electrical Tech Hub. Okay, and for further analysis of any question paper, please just comment your question paper ID, I mean which, okay, it is which okay, related to which exam, okay, it is related to which exam. Just tell me, I will definitely upload the question paper and I will solve the question paper. And if you have any queries regarding this video, please comment, okay, please comment below, and please subscribe my channel, please share, like and comment, and please share it to your friends. Thank you all.